In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly duplicate a document within your platform. Whether you're creating templates or simply need a copy for backup, duplicating documents is a handy skill to have. Let's walk through this process together so you can quickly and efficiently make copies of your important files. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Documents section. Once you're logged into your account, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options, and among them is Documents. Clicking on this will take you directly to a list of all the documents you currently have saved. This is where we'll find the document you want to duplicate. As you review the list of documents, identify the specific one you need to replicate. It might be helpful to scan through the titles or use a search function if one is available to locate it more quickly. Once you have identified the document in question, look to the right-hand side of its title. You should see a small icon that looks like three vertical dots, known as the ellipsis or the three-dot menu. This is our next point of action. Click on the ellipsis. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to document management. Take a moment to explore, as these options can come in handy for other tasks you might need in the future. Among these options, you'll find one labeled Duplicate. This is what allows us to create an exact copy of the document without having to manually recreate its contents. Select Duplicate, and the system will take it from there. After selecting Duplicate, you'll receive a confirmation notification. This is simply to let you know that the duplicate process has been successfully completed and a new copy of your document now exists. It's a good opportunity to double-check the list to ensure your duplicated document is there, ready and waiting for you to use or modify as needed. You might see it labeled with the same title as the original, often with an added identifier like Copy to distinguish it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily duplicate any document you need. This can save you time and effort, especially in keeping track of different versions of a file or when setting up reusable templates. The simplicity of the process allows you to focus more on the content of your documents and less on the logistics of managing them. Thank you for tuning in, and now you're all set to duplicate documents with